like this 2008 Honda Civic sedan equipped with leather interior, power windows, MP3 player, heated mirrors, power tilt sliding sunroof, front-wheel drive, vehicle anti-theft system, driver and passenger side airbag, power door locks, rear head airbag, four-wheel anti-lock brakes, and CD player. The low mileage of 27,919 miles makes this Civic sedan an easy choice for you.